Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features available on this tablet. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down. Following that, click on General Management and tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now, as you can see, some smart typing options are over here. If you wish to access more of them, scroll down and tap on More Typing Options. If you are using Gboard though, you need to tap on Gboard Settings instead, over here, and select Text Correction. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!